Here are 5 more quick tips for all of my concert photographers out there. Oh, and don't mind the empty apartment. I'm in the middle of moving, so let's get right into it. First, always attach your COI or certificate of insurance to your cold emails. And somewhere towards the end of your email, say something like, "Lastly, attaches my certificate of insurance for your convenience." Don't wait for artist or festival management to ask. It reassures the management that you're a serious candidate and that it's worth reaching back out to you, especially if your work is good. Number 2, only focus on your own work and growth. If you find yourself comparing yourself or your work to those who have been in the industry for much longer, or those who are on your level who have been getting into more shows than you, you'll become resentful. Stay away from all of that. Keep doing you and focus on your own path, because it's going to be different than everyone else's. And just as an FYI or reminder, I've been at this since 2017 and eventually ended up discovering my path. The same will happen to you. And for the 3rd quick tip on this list, wear earplugs. I wish I had them on me right now, but I'm in the middle of moving, but trust me on this. The damage you can cause to your ears by being that close to the stage and speakers consistently is actually scary. I think it was at this Res show in 2017 when the bass dropped while I was standing next to a speaker without earplugs on. And this is what I remember hearing. And if that isn't enough to convince you, please read this tweet from someone who's been in the industry for at least a decade. Not slowing down, for quick tip number 4, shoot your photos in the RAW file format. I mean, this is a low light game after all. And you'd be truly shooting yourself in the foot by capturing your concert photos in JPEG. A salvageable photo simply cannot be saved if it's shot in JPEG. But there is a chance to save it if it's shot in RAW. And if you're unsure what shooting in RAW means, I hate to say this, but you're watching the wrong video, my friend. I'll leave a beginner's tutorial on shooting in the RAW file format in the description below. And for the 5th and final quick tip, learn videography. Offering video work in addition to photography can significantly increase your chances of getting hired, especially if you have the skills to capture vertical RAW clips for your client's socials. Learning video is the ultimate way to become a versatile music industry media machine. Got that on the 3rd take. And honestly, I wish I took it more seriously when I was first getting started. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out here. And when part 3 eventually comes out, you'll find it here. Whichever video you choose, I'll see you there.